What's going on, you guys? It's your boy X back in the building with another video, man. You already know what time it is, man. You already know where we at. Toledo, baby. Just picked up our trailer, as you can see. Man, it's supposed to be raining all day. All day. But I know for sure I ain't trying to be at work all day. Hell no. I ain't trying to be at no work all day. Forget that. Forget that. But man, I went to CVS this morning and Walgreens. Dog, I went to CVS by my house. They ATM is out of order. Then I get close by the job, right? Real close, like let's say Taylor, Romulus. Dog, the Walgreens ATM is out of order. It's like, bro, what the? Are all point ATMs out of order? Damn. I know I'm having an air leak somewhere. It's just a bad air leak. Real bad air leak. I don't know what it is. I really don't. Alright, let me go up to the office so I can get my paperwork, man. I know I got a raindrop on my glasses. I know that. Excuse me. There you go. There you go. Man, that sound, man, the cab, them airbags or shocks or whatever it is, man. It's really time to retire this truck. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like, dog, a brand new truck motivates truck drivers, motivates men, motivates black men to be at work longer and to want to be at work. Brand new shit. Motivates black men. Motivates men in general. I know it motivates me and a couple other people I know. Driving a brand new truck, you know, it make you want to come to work. It make you want to be in the truck. It make you want to drive. You know, old raggedy ass equipment make you not even want to come to this bitch. Straight up. But let me go in here, get my paperwork and everything, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on so we can hit the road and everything. We can get the fuck on out. All right, I just got off the phone with my son and my daughter. Had to tell them have a good day at school and everything, and we talked about Christmas gifts and whatnot. But yeah, man, we just got our paperwork. Put that right there. And yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up right there, and then yeah, yo, this is not a booster seat. This ain't no high chair, whatever that you calling it, bro. It's a memory foam padding. It's not for short people. I got a buddy that's 6'5". He uses them. He's like 6'2", 6'4", somewhere around there. Either or, he uses the same thing because he be sitting in this chair for long periods of time. So, this is the last time I'm gonna explain myself for all you dumbasses and retards. This helps with lumbar support and all of that other shit. Yo, this chair by itself is uncomfortable. And you see how nasty that shit is? Come on. I don't want my ass sitting on that. Come on, bro. But it helps with support and stuff like that. Cause it's uncomfortable sitting in these chairs. It's very uncomfortable, especially if you in these chairs for 10, 11 hours out the day on a daily basis. But you wouldn't know that because you don't have no CDL, remember? You don't have no CDL, so you wouldn't know. So yeah. I'm telling you this for the people who don't have a CDL. I'm telling this for people who never drove a truck. Especially to the ones, you know who you are, you be leaving that weird stuff in my comments. I already blocked him from my channel. So he can't never type over here again. But yeah, that's what that is for. So yeah, I'm 5'5". Listen, I never needed this in the past. I don't need it now. It's just that I'll be sitting in this nasty, filthy, disgusting seat. And I wash this. I take this off and actually go home and wash it. And this I bought. So yeah. Man, but let's get on out of here, man. Let me set y'all up. Okay. Set y'all up. Make sure I got everything. I swear I hate it. Who want all the attention? If you tripping, I got enough cheese I can buy Richie. I blow that bitch, I ain't stingy. It's raining outside. Thank you. You too. I forgot to take it out of gear. I'm so sick of this rain. So sick of it. person in my comment section yesterday, dog, he only got like 3 subscribers or something. But man, dude, he said something weird. He said something negative, right? Then he was like, yeah, if you don't like my comment, I'm gonna tell YouTube on you to ban you or something. He said, it's like, dude, you want me to like a negative comment that you just wrote? I'm like, bro, this guy is crazy. Who likes a negative comment? Like, if you say something negative about me, I'm supposed to like it? Bro, crazy, dog, crazy. Yeah, he tripped me out. But he blocked, though. I had to block him. Like, bro, you super weird, bro. Super weird. You know, I got this Apple Watch on, Ultra, 800, and I still can't find the time to have a conversation with you if it ain't about no money. That's a shame. That's a shame. I still can't find the time to have a conversation with your lame ass. And I'm handsome. I know I'm handsome. I'm sick of this rain, though. I know that much. The only person who would leave a negative comment in my video is a hater. And no one likes haters. Your mama don't even like haters. Your daddy don't like haters. Yeah, man. Bro, can y'all help me with this? How do you say something negative about a person doing their job to the best of their ability? Like, dude, all I'm doing is driving. But how is it that you'll find the time to say or even think of something negative to say? Like, dude, you know I'm at work, right? Like, I already clocked in and everything. Like, dog, you know I'm at work right now. My boss don't have a problem with what I'm doing. I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, which is driving from point A to point B, doing my deliveries and pickups. So what? I don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand that. But that's people for you, man. For real. That's people for you. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat after work. I should treat myself to a meal, because every Friday I treat myself to something. I just don't know what to get. I should buy myself some earrings, some studs, or I mean, I can go get my manicure next week. But they got a good steak too. But when I went to Longhorn Steakhouse, man, that porterhouse I got, it's called like a Longhorn something. It is a porterhouse. It was like a 22-ounce steak. And yes, I can eat a 22-ounce steak. I eat my steak well done. That's just me. What works for you works for you. What work for you don't work for me. What you eat don't make me shit, and what I eat don't make you shit. You know what I'm saying? You probably don't know what I'm saying because everything I say go right over your head. You got some issues. I should stop and grab me a little something to put on my stomach. But I know it's raining outside. That's all I know. I know it's raining. And I hate the rain. I hate the snow and I hate the rain. But yeah, we gonna sit here and enjoy this ride. Oh shit, I forgot to put my... Well, I can't even do it. I can't rest my leg up because I normally rest my leg up right here, but it's raining outside and how everything is with the road conditions and the traffic conditions, I can't put my stuff on cruise control just because what I see what's in front of me and how I see everybody moving. You know, you gotta learn to use your mind to help keep you out of certain situations. And that's all I'm doing is using my mind to help keep me out of certain situations. I know this window's fogging up though. This rain sucks, but it is what it is. It's gonna be raining all day, so it's gonna be a depressing ass day. And the rain is depressing to me. I don't care what none of y'all say. That shit depressing. Nigga, the color gray is depressing. The clouds is gray. Nigga, the sky is gray. Nigga, the roads is gray. Everything today, nigga, is depressing. The color gray is depressing. Dark gray, light gray, destroyer gray, yo gray, matte gray, any type of gray. The color gray, period, is depressing. I like bright colors. I like colors that bring happiness, colors that bring joy. We could stop at the little TA, you know what I'm saying? Get a little 3-piece from the Popeye, you know what I'm saying? would apply at Walmart. I really, nigga, Walmart will hire me. I'm not about to go into any details, but I think they ain't gonna hire me. But I'm not trying to leave the company I'm with now anyway. But if I was in a position, which you're always going to be in a position to look for better and get better and do better. You always going to be in a position to obtain those things. But Walmart truck drivers, bro, I rarely see them at truck stops. I don't even go to truck stops to go for fuel. And I'm a local guy, so I'm home every night. But Walmart drivers, listen, them Walmart truck drivers, nigga, they get paid, bro. Them niggas make 100 racks, more than 100 racks a year. Walmart truck drivers, them niggas got racks, bro. Them niggas get paid more than 100 grand a year. I kid you not. You thought UPS, dog, first of all, nigga, you gotta be first of all, at UPS to be a truck driver with them, nigga, they want you to be on call for like, nigga, 2-3 years, bro, as a truck driver for UPS. Nigga, who about to do that shit, nigga, for 2-3 years, be on call? Bro, get out of here. That's a UPS nigga kid. That's what I say, bro, UPS. And then you gotta wear them tight ass shorts and tight ass uniforms. They want you to be clean shaved from what I hear. I had a friend, right? Me and him are not friends anymore. Listen, he worked at UPS. He used to be like a package handler. He used to unload the trucks or unload the trailers or load the trailers or something he was doing. But man, at that time, nigga, he had to be clean shaved, and all he did was unload trucks and shit. So I don't know what to do, man. Bro, what? I don't understand why my windshield is fogging up like this. Like, it's bad. Hey, every day, nigga, it's gonna be like this all day. trying to get money out here. I like driving. I love driving. Yeah, I don't want to work in no warehouse, no distribution center, no clothing store, none of that, man. Please, I don't want to work in no plant. Them people who work in a plant ain't shit, and they cheating on their wife, or cheating on their husband. Yeah, people who work in plants, man, listen, they are rotten low life piece of shit. I can tell you that. People who work in plants, bro, they're liars. They do cocaine on their lunch break. They definitely smoke weed on their lunch break, and they definitely drink on their lunch break. Yeah, nigga, why should you reward failure? Yeah, you got nothing but dope fiends working at a plant. Nigga, I just told you they smoke weed and drink, bro. The fuck, nigga, that's true. That's the truth. You might not, but nigga, I know niggas personally who drink, do cocaine, and smoke weed, and they work at Chrysler, nigga. The fuck, they do that shit every day on their lunch break, and they come back to work, nigga, after lunch over. Bro, it's whites, blacks, bro, hell yeah, and you gonna give dope fiends and alcoholics a raise? Nigga, y'all ain't doing that shit. Y'all ain't doing that shit. That's one thing I ain't doing. If it was my company, hell nah. That's like this. Why should you? Why would I pay a person who work at McDonald's $15, $17 an hour? Nigga, you can't even keep your shake machine up and running right. The fuck? Why should you reward failure? If you work at a plant and you're getting high on your lunch break, whether you're drinking, doing all kinds of cocaine, or smoking cannabis, bro, you ain't shit. You're not good on no job, bro. So you think that makes you a better employee because you get intoxicated and you get high on your lunch break? So you think after you get back from lunch, you think that makes you a better employee, a better person? Because it don't. It make you a rotten low life piece of shit. You a rotten low life piece of shit doing this shit on your lunch break. But it's cool to y'all, because y'all like, one thing I know, I'm a truck driver, listen. One thing I know, truck drivers is the realest people in this world, and they'll keep it they gonna keep it 100 with you. And I'm telling you, listen, y'all condone and y'all like people who do that type of stuff. You worship people like that. Am I right or wrong? You worship people getting high. You worship people being alcoholics. You worship people doing wrong in life. But it's cool because you could worship and glorify whatever you want to glorify. You glorify fucked up shit. You glorify wrong shit. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I'm on my way to do my thing, you know. But yeah, man. I was in jail about 4 or 5 years ago. you have a car? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Huh? Do you have a car? No, you don't. You said your license suspended? Oh, so you don't drive, period. So how you gonna tell me what's good for me and what's not good for me? How you gonna tell me about anything, but you don't have no license? Your license suspended, or you got outstanding warrants or whatever it is. But no, don't come over. That's what I'm saying. That's what my cousin said. My cousin said not to reply or don't entertain them comments. I gotta keep listening to my cousin. I gotta listen to my cousin. She told me not to entertain y'all. She told me herself, don't entertain them people in the comment section because they weird. They weird, cuz. Yeah, I'm the only truck driver you know that's driving with Gucci slides on. Gucci slides on. I'm the only truck driver driving with Gucci slides on. These ain't Nikes, these ain't Reeboks, these ain't Yeezys. I'm gonna stop at Flying J though. up and eat it out. Only when she tipsy. Dog, I hate these red gummy bears, bro. I hate red gummy bears. I hate red gummy. I swear to God, I hate red gummy bears, bro. I hate red gummy bears. I literally don't have shit but a bag of chips that I got from the fridge. That's all I got. So I'm gonna buy me some. You know, because I just can't eat chips for 8 to 10 hours. That ain't gonna work for me. I ain't been to Buffalo Wild Wings probably in over a year. I stopped going there. Listen, there's other better wing places besides Buffalo Wild Wings. Buffalo Wild Wings ain't even all that. I mean, they boneless wings do be good depending on which location. Like I go to the one, I've been to the one in downtown Royal Oak. It's like it's on the same side as Bar Louie. Now, Bar Louie I do like. Because I used to talk to this girl. Me and her used to be messing around. She was a waitress / bartender at Bar Louie. She still is. Me and her haven't talked in a while. But we was talking and messing around this year. So, yeah. But yeah, Bar Louie got good food. that's gonna be a car wash. That I do know. They only got Burger Kings in the white folks area. They don't have Burger Kings in the hood. In the urban areas, they don't have that. They shut that down. Me and my grandmother be talking about that. They only got Burger Kings in the Caucasian areas. They don't have it. Look at this motherfucker right here. Look at it. The exit out over there. But he's gonna come through this way. I know, cause you a dumb fuck. Stupid ass. They hiring drivers, y'all, at Walmart. Who the fuck you hunking at? Shit. If they hiring. What the hell's going on? Alright, turn this mirror heater off. I guess we can leave it running. But yeah, I've actually delivered to that Walmart in Brownstown. It's like right over here. But put my hat on. I'm about to go in here and probably buy me some beef jerky or something. I don't know. Alright, got my wallet. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all once I get out. As we are out of the truck stop. Show you what I got. Got that. I love the pepper. I don't get nothing else but the pepper. Ooh, you see that big piece right there? That's a big ass beef jerky. Yeah. I made a mistake one time. I almost ate one of these. You'll die if you eat this. Don't you see it? Do not EAT. DONOT EAT. EAT. Do not eat. 9 grams of PORTEIN. That right there. Then I got these. I'm gonna put these over here. Ooh, you can't see those. Those are hot fries. Those are hot fries. That's the hot fries. Ooh, let me get something to drink up out of here. Need something to drink. Bro, why does it keep doing that? Like, y'all hear it in a minute. Keep doing that weird shit. Gotta have that. Put that right there. That's right there. See what I'm saying? Y'all didn't hear it. Y'all probably did. I don't know. See what I'm saying? come on, man. Just give me a new truck. Give me a different truck. This is really irritating. I got a rag. I know your girl might be on this. Yeah, listen, I was married for 6.5 years, plus me and her was high school sweetheart. She used to be on this all the time. You know what this is? A RAG. No, for real. Listen, I was married for 6.5 years. Both of my kids are by the same woman, so that means I don't have any bastard children, so I'm at a different level in life than you are. But yeah, and I never abandoned my kids or nothing like that, and I never went to prison on my kids or nothing like that. I'm tired of that sound. But listen, most of our women, listen, hell yeah, most of our women, they be on this all the time. Oh, hell yeah. That rag out my face. Dog, y'all don't hear that? It's gonna do it again. Y'all just listen. Y'all hear it? I know y'all had to hear it. Nasty ass bed. I know y'all didn't heard that. Listen, I'm a local guy. This is a local truck. I'm only in this truck for 8-10 hours out of the day. Then I go home and get in my own bed. Do y'all hear that? See what I'm saying, bro? What the fuck is that? Damn. Yeah, let me get on out of here, man, so I can head on to my delivery. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video, y'all. This your boy X. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you go ahead, man, and it only take a few seconds to hit that subscribe. Make sure you click that bell and everything, man. Drop a like if you did like this video. Drop a comment if you got something positive to say. Even if you got something negative to say, I ain't gonna entertain that. I ain't gonna entertain foolishness. I did that when I was married, so I damn sure ain't about to do it, and I'm divorced and everything, so yeah. But anyways, this your boy X, Xavier, whatever you want to call me. Just don't call me out my name, because me and you, we ain't gonna sit eye to eye. What the hell that shit all about? But yeah, y'all see that, right? You see how the cab just went? But anyways, man, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.